Salut! Okay, salut, this is Alex. So today's video is an update about what's happening at the moment on the channel and what's gonna happen next. I'm gonna chat first about a meetup, a cookbook, future content, update you on a device. I'm gonna update you on a device, 5 merchandising, 6 a few questions that have been asked over on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Okay? Let's start. Number 1, I'm doing my first ever meetup in real life. It's gonna be amazing. I hope you guys will be many to come. It's happening in New York City on Saturday, September 22 at night. Loads of space to have a beer, have a laugh. By the way, if you already own my cookbook, it's a good opportunity to get it signed by Okay, bon. Next. The cookbook. It has been selected as a best of September, which is amazing. And also it's a bestseller in the food, wine, French food, French wine, foreign cuisine. You have to celebrate the happy moments of your life. If you only mourn the failures in life, it's gonna. I will be hosting an event on Monday, September 24th in Strand Book, which is a big bookstore in New York City, in Manhattan this time, where you will be able to buy a signed copy of my cookbook. You can't bring your own book because it's an event organized by a bookstore, so it doesn't work like this. I mean, if you can't be at the event in real life, then you can also order your signed copies online. I'll share all the details in the description box down below. And that's basically it for the cookbook. Okay, right now, let me just give you some context on the future content that is coming to my channel in the following weeks and months. There is a small series coming about the grocery bag conundrum, but it's taking loads of time, okay? That is the, mini series, probably 3 episodes or so, that is coming to my channel in the following weeks. And then, and then there is the big series. And then there is the madness. There is the Alice in Wonderland thing. The thing we live for, the thing you're probably on board for.
Merci. Ça marche.
Merci beaucoup, au revoir, bonne journée. Ouais. Je veux faire ça, the croissant. Waouh, l'odeur de malade. 1, voilà. 2. Trust me, mastering that delightful, light, fluffy, crispy piece of French pastry is not a small deal. It's gonna be like... Oh no. The first episode should be coming to my channel in late October, probably. Yeah, it's taking time to make good content, okay? I could be eating like 20,000 calories. Now, number 4, the device. Stating that this is exciting would be such an understatement. Such an understatement. Come with me. A few months ago, I made a sharpening device, something that sticks to your beloved chef knife or any other blade, and that allows you to determine the angle at which you are sharpening, and so to keep that angle steady. It was a complete working prototype with Bluetooth and all, but it was a prototype. So as always, in the background, I've been working my ass off with an amazing electronic engineer in Germany, Roland. Hi, if you're watching this. And together, we've come up with this. I don't know, I'm just mind blown by the fact that this was just an idea on paper. This was just a super rough Arduino prototype, and now it's a fully enclosed working prototype. So the whole thing is becoming a reality. I'm gonna be launching this product on this channel like probably in a few months or so. I'm gonna update you just a bit more if you're interested. I don't know if it's gonna sell well. I don't know if you guys are gonna like it or not. But I wanna try. I wanna try because that's the beauty of projects in life. Okay, next. So if you're not aware of this, I have basically a shop where you can buy posters, you can buy t-shirts, and soon you should be able to buy a tea towel, a kitchen towel, a dish towel. It depends on where you live. I want it to be a big black square, but the thing I'm struggling with at the moment is not the design, because it's just, you're gonna love it. No, it's the dish towel itself. So I'm looking for something that is smooth. I don't like the rough, you know, like bath towel texture. I don't like this, but still that can absorb a decent amount of water as well. I don't want something super thin. If you happen to know a brand / model of a kitchen towel that fits, then please shoot me a comment down below. Okay, next, number 6, the Q&A. I've been getting questions on Instagram, on Twitter, and also on YouTube community. You know, that little forgotten Miss Christie on Instagram. For someone just starting to cook, what are the first few things you think should be invested in? So you first get a medium-sized but great quality chef knife. Probably Victorinox is a good brand to start. Second, I would advise you to get a good frying pan. Put some money into a good frying pan. You won't regret it. And 3, there is no 3. Keep the money for food, for example. ALXCOL, my favorite place to eat in Paris. I got many, okay? I'll share the link to a post that I've got on my website with everything you need. Chewy water. How do you make cooking like you do a career? Cooking is quite similar to filmmaking in the sense that I feel like you don't start a career in cooking. You already love food. You already love cooking very much. You already made movies for your friends, for your family. It's just a natural progress. I mean, that is what happened with me. I was always the one making movies for my friends. Now I was always the one cooking with my family. Good old Frank. How do you stay in such good shape even after eating all this delicious food? Well, I don't eat all the food I make. That's simple. I freeze a lot. I give a lot to my neighbors as well. I'm still following this, you know, omnivore, reasonable diet, meaning that I just eat a bit of everything in small quantities, apart from wine, where I leave some room for interpretation. BW Dog, what is your favorite kitchen gadget? No regular tools or machinery, only true gadgets. I don't like gadgets. La Cucumber, how do you stay motivated in the day-to-day, and how does your motivation affect the way you cook for yourself and your family? Well, I hope I don't disappoint on this one, but I'm not always motivated. I mean, motivation comes and goes. What stays, on the other hand, is discipline. It's more like of a steady journey. That's what I'm, you know, aspiring to do, in fact. I'm not there yet, but I hope I will get there one day. ZDV3M, it's in French. Do you need an intern? Well, since you're asking, I am at the moment looking for an editor. Well, I am known to be quite demanding when it comes to editing, so you need to be, you know, fast to be effective. If you have those qualities, then you should be reaching out to me. The team! I'm putting together a team of experts, like me and somebody else. Starting at 2, it's a team, so... Okay, I think this is it. I'm just gonna split for the airport in a few seconds. I will definitely catch you right here on this channel next week, or perhaps before that, if you're attending one of those real-life events. Take care, bye-bye, salut!